Alright people, this is a 2020 BMW 3 Series replacing the lower grille shutter. First thing you gotta do is remove the bumper. The bumper has two 8mm bolts on each side. So you need to loosen up this panel and get access to those and take those both out. And you need to detach the lower panels from them. You don't really have to take them all the way out. You can just disconnect or remove the bolts and stuff that are connected just to the bumper cover, because the bumper cover is all you need to take out. And once you got all the bolts out, bumper cover is clipped in here and clipped in along the grill here. You're gonna pop this loose here, and then you're gonna just steady pull right here to pop it loose from the grill and work your way along. You get it loose, but before you do that, you got two plug connections over here. Depending on your options, you need to disconnect those, and then you can remove the bumper and get it out of the way. And then you're gonna have this foam bumper support cover here that's just clipped on right here with little foam hooks. So just go to the hook, push down and pull it out. This one here, you're gonna push down, pull the bottom one out, push up, pull the top one out. Then you're gonna remove this. Then behind this you'll have this cage here, which is held on by straps. And behind there you'll have four T30 bolts. Remove those, then go underneath, unplug the grill shutter from here. Then once you get the grill shutter out, pull the tabs out. The front tabs, there's two sets of tabs, front and the back. There's nothing holding the back ones on. Pull your front tabs out from underneath these. Then once you get those out, there's tabs on the bottom. You gotta lift these up and get those out of the hole. And then you're gonna pull the bottom out first. And you're gonna rotate it like that to get it out. It's gonna catch on this lip a little bit. Just push down on here and push up on the grill and continue to pull that bottom out, and it'll fall right out. And that's all you gotta do. And then the insert will be the reverse.
Alright, I gotta go to Bullet Springs.
Alright.
Okay.
And I'm putting this in here. Put the tabs in front of the straps first, like this. And then you gotta get the bottom in. Make sure you line up this hump here with the bumper. Then you're gonna get the bottom in, just slide it in gently like that. And it should fall into place. Now you got your tabs here like this. All you gotta do is lift up this belt, get the tabs behind it, and bolt everything back in reverse order, and don't forget to plug it in. Hope this helps somebody out.